Hello everyone and welcome. It's Coffee with Ceri. Hello everyone and welcome. So it's Christmas 2021 and I just want to say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Season's greetings, and if you celebrate or you don't celebrate, then I hope this is a really good time of year for you no matter what. But I did want to pop on, excuse me. Ooh. Cafe latte, loving this one. Just wanted to pop on and say actually a really big thank you to you. Now, as I just said, it's Christmas 2021, so we're almost coming to the 2-year mark of the pandemic, and like everybody, the pandemic hit us hard. We've all had traumas to go through, we've all had hardship to go through, our lives are all changed by it. My business was pretty much wiped out. My income was wiped out. We're not going to go there. However, we've been through a couple of years of rough times, and I think the first 12 months of the pandemic, I was in a bit of a tailspin. I didn't really know what to do, didn't know which direction to go in. And then last Christmas, I sort of went, okay, this isn't going away. I need to just buckle down and do something. So, I started to rebuild. I started opening up to you, my followers, my subscribers, my friends, and acquaintances. I opened up to you as to my artistic abilities, new directions I might be going into. And I need to say to you, without you and your support and your positive comments and your help and advice, both publicly and privately, I wouldn't be sat here now the person that I am, and it's all thanks to you. You've helped me driving a new direction. I now have a new website up and running. The YouTube channel is doing really well. The Etsy store is up. Do need to do a little more attention on that one. I've been ignoring it. Video filming is going really well. I'm now booked to do monthly TV shows for the craft channels that I work for. Also, the last 12 months, I've really explored my creativity and the direction my artistry could go in. Now, I've always been a crafty person. I've always been an arty person. I've always been someone who can make something out of nothing, or I'm blessed and cursed sometimes by a very vivid imagination, and the creative genius definitely within me, and that's a gift I am so thankful for. But trying to explore that creativity and find a way forward, especially when you're a perfectionist and especially when you're OCD, trying to find that way forward, I couldn't find it by myself. I need to just go, you know what, if I don't commit to doing this, then I'm just going to be stagnant and treading water. And part of the commitment to doing that was really focusing on social media and my YouTube channel to expose myself or open myself up to the world, and both the positive and negative criticism I thought could be coming my way. You guys have been amazing. You have helped me build my confidence. I've become braver. I probably become a truer version of myself than I was prior to that, because I think it's inherent in me to want to please others, to want to help others. I think you either are or are not that sort of person, and I am one of those people. However, in doing that, you tend to sacrifice a lot of your own life. You tend to make compromises you wouldn't normally compromise upon. And I think at least this last 12 months, definitely, I'm learning to say no. I'm learning to say no and not have to qualify why I'm saying no. Basically, no, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I'm putting myself first more than I used to. Not always, I must admit, but more than I did always. I'm exploring and expanding, being creative in ways I never thought I could. A lot of that is down to the support and the quality and quantity of educational materials within social media and YouTube and Facebook groups and that. I'm a sponge for knowledge, and I've gleaned so much information from what I've seen and what I've learned in conversations. It's been amazing. and that has just meant that as an artist, I've grown myself. I've become much more rounded, a lot braver. I will take risks. I've never been scared of making a fool of myself. Good grief. Years on the stage meant that I really made a fool of myself on more than one occasion. But this is just sort of my little Christmas thank you to you guys. I just wanted to pop on. Know there are huge things planned for 2022. I've already started working on it. I've already started planning. Yes, me being me, there's spreadsheets. But there's a lot in the offing, and I want to pour my energy and my resources into that so I can share this journey with you. And I feel that January the 1st, 2022 is going to be a completely fresh start, a completely opening a new door for me, and I'm going to firmly shut the door on 2021 and go, you know what, I cannot change the past, but I can affect the future. And I think I'm going to take that through the rest of my life. Probably is I can't change the past, and if there's one thing I'm going to use as almost a mantra for myself, and I've actually put it on the cover of my newest journal, is it's okay to not be okay. And unless people open up about their struggles, others will think everything's hunky-dory and it's all going smoothly and there's no problems. So I do encourage you, if you're struggling, reach out. You don't have to do it publicly. Just do it to a friend, or do it to a relative, or just pick up a phone and talk to someone, drop an email and just go, listen, what do you think of this? It's not a sign of weakness. I think asking for help is a huge sign of strength, that you're willing to put yourself out there and ask for help. So to you guys, cheers. I'd like to say this was alcohol, but it is certainly not. It's Christmas. I hope you have a great, great, great Christmas, holiday season, festive times, all of that, no matter what religion, ethnic background you are. We are all going to mark the beginning of a new year, and I'm hoping it's the beginning of a new year, a beginning of a new journey, and I hope it's exciting and thrilling and full of love, peace, hope and happiness for all of us. So, Merry Christmas, guys. Thank you so much.